everyone, good morning. This is Mirin Gupta and the bulletin starts with Apple unveils Apple Intelligence at WWDC 2025. Qualcomm acquires AlphaWave for $2.4 billion to strengthen AI chip game. Meta AI is on $10 million investment in scale of AI. Google search to get AI more with the interactive charts and visuals. Apple Siri overhaul faces leadership and technical delays. Google Docs on Android gets a Gemini AI boost. China pushes back on US claims over Huawei's AI chip breakthroughs and more. So in yesterday quiz, how many Indian languages does the Bharat generation AI model support? And the answer is 22 Indian languages. Now it's time for a daily tech quiz. Here's today's question. Who are the founder of Copilot AI? Confident you have got the answer. Drop your guess in the comments below. Tune in tomorrow's news bulletin if you need it. Apple WWDC 2025 event just wrapped up. The biggest headline is the launch of Apple Intelligence. Apple all new generation AI systems built for iPhone, iPads and Macs. Apple Intelligence will be tightly integrated with the iOS 18, iPad OS 18 and Mac OS Sequoia, delivering a system-wide intelligence in across apps, notification writing tools and yes, Siri. One of the standout features is the new writing tools that allow users to rewrite, proofread, and summarize text across apps like Amol, Notes, and Safari. Siri, after years of lagging behind competitors, is finally getting an AI-powered makeover with a deeper contextual awareness and conversational memory and the ability to process and requests across app and more fluidity. Another major update is the introduction of Genmoji custom emojis generated based on a user prompt and image playground where user can generate AI-based images and write inside apps like Messages and Keynotes. In a landmark of $2.4 billion acquisition deal, Qualcomm has officially acquired AlphaWave, a move that aims to deepen its AI and semiconductor capabilities. AlphaWave, known for its high-speed connectivity and chipset technologies, will help Qualcomm better cater to the booming demand of AI-enabled chips and across devices and data centers. This acquisition aligns with the Qualcomm broader strategy to expand beyond mobile SoCs, a system of chips, into enterprise-grade AI workloads. The Apple, Nvidia, and AMD pushing ahead in AI chip innovation in a Qualcomm move it's seen on both defense and strategic. Integrating AlphaWave advanced interconnect technologies will allow Qualcomm to improve a bandwidth efficiency and thermal design and scalability and next generation chipset in a critical factors for AI heavy processing, and more importantly, the deal gives a Qualcomm a deeper presence in a data center space. Now, Meta is reportedly in a talks to invest a $10 billion in scale of AI, one of the leading startup in AI data labeling of a model training space. This move is a part of Meta's aggressive push to dominate AI frontier and particularly in a building large language models and a foundational AI infrastructure. Now, Scale AI specializes is a curating high quality data set for a training generative AI system, a resource that increasingly becoming the few, the next generation AI, with the competitors like Google, OpenAI, and Anthropic raising ahead. Meta's potential investment aims to strengthen its AI pipeline and gain in a tighter control over the data and the training workflows. Now, reports suggest that the Meta's interest isn't just financial, it is strategic, but aligned closely in the scale of AI. Meta could secure to its robust continuous supply of curated data for Llama, its family of open source LLMs, and upcoming AI tools for Facebook, Instagram, and Metaverse ambition. If the deal is closes, this could become one of the largest investments of AI infrastructure of data, signaling how seriously Meta views data and a modern alignment in the age of generative AI. Now, Google search is evolving yet again, this time with a powerful AI enhanced mode that includes interactive data visualization, charts, graphics, and the help user to understand in a complex topics. The future is being gradually rolled out in the US for user enrolled in search labs and user generative AI to generative information responses backed on dynamic visual ads. Instead of traditional blue links, this new experience surfaces in a summarizes accompanied by the expandable graphs, bar charts, and pie diagrams, offering a more intuitive way to digest search results and especially around data-heavy subjects like finance, climate change, or technology trends. Isn't it demo? Google showed users to asking about the CO2 emissions for smartphones and market share trends with the receiving nearly arranged, interactive visuals that they could tap or for more grander insights. While Apple announced an ambitious revamp of Siri with the new Apple Intelligence rollout, behind the scenes, the process hasn't been smooth. According to recent report of Apple Siri redesign has hit multiple delays, the technical challenges, and leadership turnover with its AI division. Sources suggest that Apple underestimated the complexity of overhauling Siri to compete with the ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and Amazon Alexa. Internal teams have reportedly faced issues around training domain-specific LLMs and of Siri without compromising privacy of key feature Apple is unwilling to sacrifice. Compounding to issues the loss of key of AI leadership, including managers who had been in a guiding of Siri's redesign since 2022. This has led delays in a future testing and a cross-platform integration, while WWDC 2025 showcased comprehensive upgrades with the actual rollout of these features may be phased in slow, with many tools in coming later this year. In 2026, Apple is banking on devices and processing of private cloud compute to differentiate itself, but exhaustion hurdles and could remain early user experience. Now, Google is steadily integrating Gemini AI into its suite of apps. Now, app Google Docs is Android users to experiencing the upgrade in a first hand. In the latest update, the Help Me Write feature, previously available only on desktop, is now accessible on mobile. Thanks to Gemini to backend support, this enhancement means a user can now get AI integrated summarizes, tone suggestion, and the structured content directly within their Docs app, making on the go document editing smarter and faster. This feature appears to be gradually rolling out via server side updates, with some users putting the floating action button marked by the pencil icon. Tapping to it, open prompt to view, where the user can ask Gemini to help draft or refine their content. While Gemini integration in a workspace app like a Gmail and a Sheets is already being adopted and this enterprise setting. This move signals Google commitment to bringing AI-powered productivity tools to regular Android user. This AI rapidly transforming how in an ongoing tug of war between US and China over tech supremacy, China state the media how has responded strongly to the US in skepticism regarding Huawei's AI chip advancement. However, China claims these assessments are a part of political narrative aims to limiting Huawei's of global influence, especially as it is a partner with the firms in Africa. The Middle East and Southeast Asia is a deployer of AI infrastructure. Huawei's CEO has stated that the while Chinese chips may not be match of Nvidia or AMD in raw power, they are in a self-reliant, scalable, and catching up fast. China sees AI semiconductors and AI commerce of tech sovereignty and doubling down of R&D in subsidies and strategic partnership as a global tensions of AI development escapes. Thank you for today's bulletin. Follow iDevice for more such tech updates.